We will start by making a foundation chain of treble crochets. Start with your working yarn and wrap it around your hook twice, and count 4 stitches into your chain, and then insert your hook into that chain and yarn over. Pull the loop through your chain space so you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over with your working yarn and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Over a last time and pull through the remaining loops. Now you've made your first treble crochet. Look carefully for the next chain space. Yarn over twice and then insert your hook into the chain. Pull that loop through your chain space, yarn over again with your working yarn and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Finally, yarn over a last time and pull through the remaining loops. Keep going down the whole row like this and we will meet at the end. Crochet along with me if you like. Awesome! You finished your first foundation row of treble crochets. Chain 4 and rotate your work counterclockwise. This only requires your project to be rotated, so don't rotate your hook. Notice that my hook stayed in the same exact location the whole time. This is the second row. We will be inserting our hook onto the top loops, sometimes called the V, not like the foundation chain where we only used one loop. So let's keep going, crochet along with me. Yarn over twice and then insert your hook into the first loop. Through, yarn over again, pull through the first two loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next two loops. And pull through the remaining loops. Yarn over twice and then insert your hook, pull through, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over and pull through the next two loops, yarn over a last time and pull through the remaining loops. Keep going until the end of the row. Now you can chain 4 and turn your work counterclockwise again and start the third row. Now that you've mastered how to do the treble crochet, you can check out these project ideas and patterns linked in the description.
Thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button to be a part of this crafty community and learn more.